Hey everyone, it's Matt Donahue with Mission Financial Planners, and this is your weekly update for the week of July 20th. I'm going to talk a little bit today about humility. We've all learned a lot from people over the years, but probably the biggest privilege, for lack of a better word, that people, it isn't money, it isn't the career, but it's the people who took time to teach us and to help us get better. One of the things I've learned over the years is people don't make bad financial decisions because they're lazy or unintelligent. They just don't know. And some of us grew up with parents who talked about saving and investing. Others learned from work leaders, teachers, coaches, mentors, or friends. But unfortunately, a lot of people never get those opportunities. And that realization should make us a little more humble. Instead of asking, hey, why didn't they know better? Maybe we should ask, who was supposed to teach them. And that's one of the reasons financial education has always been at the center of what we do at Mission Financial Planners. Last week, the markets gave us some encouraging news. Inflation continued moving lower with both headline and core inflation cooling from previous readings. At the same time, investors are watching second quarter earnings very closely. A lot of the recent earnings growth continues to come from two key areas: energy and the companies that are benefiting from the continued investment in artificial intelligence. While the technology is exciting, history reminds us that no investment trend lasts forever. That's why we're focused on diversified portfolios designed for the long term instead of chasing whatever happens to be making headlines today. This week's tax tip focuses on identity theft. Protecting your investments also means protecting your personal information. File that tax return early. Review your credit report every year. Use strong passwords and multi-factor authentication, as annoying as that can be. And remember, the IRS will never send you an email or a text asking you for your social security number or banking information. A couple simple things today can save you months of frustration later. Estate planning. Hey, again, have that durable power of attorney, your health care directives. That updated estate plan gives your family guidance during what could be a very difficult time. Planning ahead is one of the greatest gifts you can leave the people you love, and could be a way to maybe teach the next generation about things they'll need to do when their time comes. In closing, none of us got to where we are completely on your own. Thank you to everyone who has helped me over the years, taught me over the years, put up with me over the years, kicked me in the butt over the years. Somebody at some point believed in all of us, invested their time in us, and taught us some things that changed our lives. The best way to honor those people is to pass those gifts on. If you'd like to learn more about retirement planning, tax strategies, investing, estate planning, we'd be honored to help. Schedule a time to meet with me, Ken, or Jason, and let's build a plan that helps you move forward with confidence. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next week.